guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how you are going to put trailer on your premiere video. Okay, first, if you have your app here, YouTube channel, so if you are using a mobile, so just click that YouTube app and then go to your profile. Okay, and then after that, go to your content. And then here, as you can see, I have a premiere video. So it's scheduled. Wait, I'm gonna check when it's scheduled. So here it's gonna be coming up. So in 30 minutes, it's gonna play. So now I want to set up my premiere trailer. Okay, so here this is the video that I set up for premiering. So let's add my trailer, but before that you need to complete all the details here. Don't forget to put your playlist, and then here, no, it's not made for kids, so click that show more, and then make it sure that it's turn on, allow embedding, publish, and then here, so my category is education, and then allow all comments, and then here I want to put show how many viewers like and dislike. Okay, so I think I'm good here. Okay, then don't forget to save it. Always save it. And then now here, as you can see, it's already scheduled, but I want to put my trailer. So here, click this setup premiere plus. Okay, so here on this part, this is redirect. So this is it. And then here, add trailer. So meaning to say you can put thumbnail or you can put trailer, like a short video, a short teaser. So this one, it will take. Okay, trailers are a great way to share a sneak peek and get viewers excited. Add a 15 seconds and 3 minutes upload for people to watch until your content begins. Okay, so you are going to have like 15 to 3 minutes upload videos. Okay, so here, click this. This is gonna be my trailer. Okay, so click add, and then I'm gonna choose my video for my trailer. I want to put this one, a day in my life. Okay, so I'm gonna put that, and then click save. Okay, there you go. And now save it, and let's see how it looks like. Okay, so here this is my video. So I want to click that and I want to check it out. Okay, there you go. So this is my trailer, and as you can see here, premieres in 22 minutes, and then set reminder. Okay, and here I got a like already. I really like this video. Okay, and you can check anytime you like. Okay, so this is like my teaser. Okay, I love it. So this is it. I wanted that to be my trailer. Okay, so it seems like it's perfect. So I'm gonna check it out, my channel. Okay, so here, so this is my premiere video that coming up, but I already put my trailer video. Okay, so I'm gonna explain this using a Filipino language, okay, or Tagalog. Okay, so I'm gonna mag-start ako from the very beginning. So exit ko muna lahat. Okay, so here, so start tayo dito sa homepage ko. So click nyo lang yung YouTube app. So ang gagawin natin ay lalagyan ko ng trailer yung aking premiere. Kasi most of the time, ginagamit ko lang ay thumbnail. But now, pwede ko na siyang lagyan ng trailer video. Just like a teaser or short video. Okay, so ito na, dito na ako sa home. And then punta ako sa aking profile. And then punta ako sa aking YouTube studio. And then after that, punta ako sa aking content. Okay, ito. Okay, now, ito yung video ko na magpe-premiere. Coming up na siya in 22 minutes. So, kailangan yung may premiere video para makagawa kayo ng trailer video. Okay? So, i-click lang ito. Ito yung edit, yung pen. Click lang yan. Okay, so ito na yung aking video. So, kanina naglagay ako ng trailer na. Pero pwede ko siyang palitan. Okay. So, here, ito, makikita nyo ito, edit premiered. So, yan. Pero before is add premiere. So, pwede ko siyang tanggalin. Okay, tinanggal ko na. So, ito kasi yung lalabas pag wala kang trailer. So, set up premiere. So, click mo lang yan. Set up premiere. And then, dito sa may baba niya is trailer. Okay, mag-add ako ng aking trailer video. Okay, so, ang ilalagay ko ay yung, ito ang ilalagay ko. Ano kayang ilalagay ko? Isip ako. So, ito na yung mga videos ko na nagawa ko na dati. Okay, so ito, ilalagay ko na lang ito. A day in my life. Same thing. Okay, so now, pag nailagay mo na yan, i-click mo yung save. Huwag mong kakalimutan i-click ang save. And then ngayon, kung gusto mo na siyang i-check, pero huwag niyo guys kalimutan na i-edit ang inyong, dito sa part na ito ha. Kasi ito ay important. Dapat ilagay niyo yung playlist nyo. And then, here always, no, it's not made for kids. Otherwise, wala kayong maka-close comment siya. And here, allow automatic chapters when available and eligible. Okay, here tags. Maganda kasi itong lagyan ng tags. So, lagyan mo dyan is comment. Ito yung mga searchable words para madali nilang ma-search. Okay, so ngayon, pag meron kang mga tags dyan, here, lagyan mo siya ng iyong video language, kung anong language ang gusto mo. Pwede mo din siyang edit anytime. And here, allow embedding. Here. Yan, so nakaset up na yan. And then here, allow all comments para hindi siya mag-off yung comment section mo. Okay. There you go. I think I'm good here. Okay, so tapos save ko na. Huwag niyong kakalimutan i-save, okay? Or else, masasayang lang siya. Okay, there you go. And then ngayon gusto ko na siyang i-check. Okay, so dito mo siya ma-check. Okay, so ito na yung aking trailer. Meron siyang music pero enough ko lang. So, pwede nyong edit anytime. Okay, so nakikita nyo dito sa baba is trailer. And then here, dito sa taas, makikita nyo din kung ilang minutes na lang yung waiting para mag-start ang iyong premiering. There you go. Cool. Okay, so I hope guys nag-enjoy kayo sa aking video for today. And please don't forget to click that like here. And then, of course, kung gusto nyo maging member ko, hit that join button. And then, of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, and I hope guys to see you next time. Bye-bye!
Hello my friends, hello everyone. Thank you for always supporting my YouTube channel. So I am here to support you, to help you, and share a lot of content. And of course, don't forget to click that join button. You will get some benefits of my perks. So, yay, buddy. Yeah, there you go. That's our friend. That's our giraffe. Oh, he likes to be on my camera. So, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, For Some Learning channel. And of course, my partner, my husband, Joel Goldwyn, and my baby, Pablo Dorado. Okay, thank you, and bye. See you next time.